In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive, delete, or restore your files in Hubspot. Whether you're looking to tidy up your workspace, make room for new projects, or restore old files back into action, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. By the end, you'll be confident managing your files within HubSpot's platform. And if you're new to HubSpot, you'll find a link in the description below to create your account and get started. To begin, head over to hubspot.com and log into your account. Now, make sure you're entering the correct login credentials to access your dashboard. This ensures you avoid any unnecessary login issues. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which serves as your hub for managing all of your tools and data. Next, look toward the upper right corner of the dashboard. You'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that to enter the Settings menu. This is where you can customize and manage the controls for your account. Once you're inside the settings area, locate and click on the Properties option. This is the section where all the organizational magic happens. Now that you're in the Properties menu, look for the More option, which should appear either as a tab or a drop-down menu, depending on your view. Click it and a drop-down menu will expand. From here, select the option labeled Archive. This is the first step in the archiving process. Archiving is a great way to move files out of your main workspace, while still keeping them accessible in case you need them later. Think of it like moving old documents into a storage box. You're not throwing them away, just putting them aside for now. Once you've selected Archive, you'll need to identify the specific file you want to move. Take a moment to browse through your files and locate the one you wish to archive. When you find it, you'll see an option labeled Archive Property right next to the file. Click on that, and the file will be safely moved into the archive. This helps keep your workspace clean and organized without permanently losing any important data. Now, let's talk about retrieving an archived file, just in case you need to bring something back into your main workspace. To do this, return to the More menu in the Properties section and select Archive section here. You'll see a list of all the files you've archived. Find the file you want to restore, click on it, and then select the Restore option. This will move the file back to your main workspace, making it fully accessible again. And finally, if you're certain you no longer need a file and want to permanently delete it, here's how you can do that. Go back to the Settings menu and locate the file you wish to remove. When you found it, click on the Delete option next to the file. Now, keep in mind, deleting a file is a permanent action. Once it's gone, it cannot be restored unless you've backed it up elsewhere, so be absolutely sure before you proceed with this step. And that's it. You now know how to archive, restore, and permanently delete files in HubSpot. Managing your files effectively will help keep your workspace organized and efficient. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.